I could restart my fitness journey from scratch, stop doing random workouts, following trendy diets, and chasing shortcuts. Start by asking myself one thing: am I doing this better? Live longer? Reason becomes your fuel. Without it, no plan works. Next, I'd track what I eat for just 7 days. I'd make one simple rule: protein in every meal. Eggs, chicken, paneer, lentils, whatever fits. Follow the 80-20 rule: 80% clean food, 80% fun. Extreme diets? No, you don't need supplements. Food first. Always. Training, I'd go 3 to 4 days a week. Every day, I'd stick to basics: jumps, squats, rows, lunges. Pound moves that actually work. Fancy machines, no confusion. Even if I had no gym, I'd still start, as body weight is enough when you stay consistent. I'd never skip recovery. Sleep, hydration, and stretching are not extra, are part of the plan. You won't see results in 2 weeks, but you'll feel them. Once you feel that strength, you won't want to stop. If I had to do it all over again, keep it simple, stay patient, and trust the process. It's what I want for you too. Like, subscribe, and comment. Starting today, let's grow together.